today, we're getting spicy with Arrabbiata. That's all I got. We're making Arrabbiata. First, place a wet paper towel under your cutting board to prevent it from sliding around, like mine has been. Next, dice an onion however big or small you want. I like mine to have chunky tomatoes and small pieces of onion. Next, mince a half head of garlic. You can do a whole head if you like. Use a can of whole peeled tomatoes and cut the tomatoes to whatever size you want. But don't drain the can. Don't waste flavor. Heat up a few tablespoons of olive oil in a pan and add a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I eyeballed it and went a little wild with a tablespoon, and I'm still paying for that. So stick with a teaspoon and go from there. Saute the onions with a big pinch of salt until soft. You don't need to get too much color on them, but you most certainly can if you'd like. Add the garlic and cook until aromatic. Then add 2 teaspoons of oregano and 1 teaspoon of thyme. Toss the coat and roast a little. Then add your tomatoes with all the juice. From the cutting board, from the can, all of it. Add it in. Then rinse out your can with water and add that to it as well. You want all the flavor you can get. Cook until you reach the desired consistency. Add a tablespoon or 2 of capers, which is optional and not at all traditional. Then enjoy. It's spicy, it's sweet, it's tomatoey. If you add capers, it's briny. You can puree this sauce and use it with pasta, but you can leave it chunky to use as a topping on bread or even arancini. There really aren't any areas where you could run into issues, as long as you pay attention to all forms of heat. Taste as you go and you'll be okay. You'll be okay.